Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to plan for June 2020. Can you freaking believe that it's already June? This year has gone by so fast and also hasn't been the best. But we're gonna keep going, I guess. So we're gonna go ahead and plan for June. I'm going to go ahead and use my June monthly kit, which is also in my shop, so I will link that below. And all the stickers that I use in addition to that, I will also link below. Please go ahead and also subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram, and tag me on Instagram because I want to see your spreads as well, and I'm really looking forward to connecting with you guys. So let me go ahead and, well, last month, this is May, well, technically still this month, but today is the 27th of May, so this is my spread for the month of May, and I also did a pre-planning spread, which I got from Lindsay Scribbles, which I still absolutely love because I love being able to pre-plan for the week before and, you know, not having to draw it out even though I'm not there yet. So I am going to implement the same thing for June. Some of the differences though is I'm also going to utilize this task sticker as well as this reminder sticker for the month. So I'll either put, I'm not really sure how I'm going to set it up yet, but I'm going to first draw out the month, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the pre-planning part, and then I'll go in and write in everything, and I will take you on that journey. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, one thing that I did want to mention is that I've started using these post-it note tabs, and I'll link that below. Post-it note tabs to mark the month and also to mark the week, so it's just easier to flip to, which honestly I like it. And I am looking to get more specific ones and maybe write in like month and week, but we'll get to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and plan out the month as well as just draw out the pre-plan, and then I will take you on that journey of writing everything in. Let's go ahead and get started.
need those and the ropes too, and CSU is gonna have to come over your sets.
You have a show tomorrow.
Okay, now we're ready to take pen to paper. Yes, I did some pen already, but we're gonna fill in the rest of the actual like month stuff, and all of the elements there, and also we'll fill in the pre-plan to make sure that I have everything that I need. I still don't currently have a job, so I am hoping that interviews do come up on the schedule here shortly, and also I do have another class starting on the 17th, so I'll make sure to put that in there as well. So let's go ahead and do that part. Okay, everyone, now we are done with planning for June 2020. This is my monthly setup. I went ahead and, like you guys saw, put in some events that are happening. I'm having surgery. I have appointments with my ENT doctor. The first day of term and then also the last day of term for my class. Birthdays are on here. I did go ahead and write in a few tests that I need to get done, like get a haircut. Here in Texas, it is the restrictions, the COVID restrictions are kind of lifting slowly, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that scheduled, as well as do a few things, a few other things there. Also, just reminders that I need to remember. Also, my goals, which is waking up early, exercising 5 times a week, cooking a new dish a week, and posting to my blog, as well as my YouTube channel consistently. So that is that information, and that is how I set up my spread. I also put in this teal color from Paper Mate Ink Joy, birthdays, holidays are in this orange, as well as my mom and dad's anniversary is in this pink. That's what Paper Made Joy. So I will link all of those products and all of these stickers in the description below. So please go ahead and look there. And then the June pre-plan. I went ahead and set this up. So I do have a few surgeries coming up, and so I am going to have to more than likely utilize this pre-plan a little bit more this month so that I am on top of my game when I am like out of count and recovering for my surgeries. So I will be utilizing this, and I will post updates to it on my Instagram. So please go ahead and follow there and tag me on your spreads and how you guys are utilizing this June kit, or how you guys set up your month of June. So I am really looking forward to seeing that from you guys. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And also in the comments below, go ahead and tell me what kind of videos you guys want to see, and I will be filming those videos for you and getting those posted as soon as I can. Other than that, this is my June setup, and let's go ahead and get started with June. Okay, bye.